Welcome back, Crypto Farm community. I am your host, Jordan. Today, we're going to be diving down into ApeVampires. We're talking about some apes that love some fresh blood. And before we continue, do not forget, you guys, that there is a link down below for Crypto Farm viewers that if you mint one NFT, you are going to get two. And if you mint two NFTs, and you're going to get a total of 4 NFTs. This is an NFT project with great utility, and they have a good roadmap ahead of them. Whenever it comes to the public sale, it is TBA. So make sure you guys are paying close attention to that for announcements. And how do you do that? Well, be sure that you follow them here on Twitter. Also, be sure that you join the Discord. We'll talk more about that towards the end of the video. They even have a link tree that is going to give you access to many other sites. So we're talking about the website, we're talking about the Discord, we're talking about the white paper, we're talking about the Medium, and we are talking about Twitter. So be sure that you guys check all of this out and everything that they have to offer. That is important. Looks like they have been here since January 2022, so only a few months. Current amount of followers is 6,144. So good to see that this community is growing. So for their last tweet, it states that we have worked hard these last days on our plans for the future of ApeVampires project. We are presenting our new roadmap. What do you think? Retweet this and you might win a free NFT. And speaking of winning free things, ladies and gentlemen, if I'm correct, they did just give away $2,000. Look at that, you guys. They just gave away 2,000 USDT. So very important that you guys actually follow them for your chance to win some money. Not just that, but some free NFTs. All right. So let's go ahead and dive right into the website. Talks about right here that they do have a total of 6,666 infected apes. So ApeVampires, it is a community-driven collection of a total of 6,666 randomly generated NFTs that are living on the Ethereum blockchain. So in the beginning, there was a virus. Men spent billions to create a vaccine. It worked, but there was something else. The virus mutated and attacked apes. It changed them. They feel hunger and pain. They long for fresh blood. They are ape vampires. Definitely an awesome story. So you guys can get a look at a few of them and the characteristics that they currently have at this moment. So what do you get? Well, it states right here, NFT holders will be eligible for our tokens during airdrop events. So it looks like you're going to be able to get some free tokens. Stake and farm NFTs to earn blood token each day. Each ape vampire is a 100% unique gateway to the metaverse in game. Whitelist pass to the future NFT releases. Gather 2 ape vampires plus 666 blood tokens for a minting a new breed. Newly minted, a little one will have attributes from both parents. There will be no secondary royalty fees. So this is going to be a super fun project with massive giveaways and gamification. Let's build an epic community together. And it talks about the early bird price, which is going to be 0.05 Ethereum. Launch date already looks like that has happened. Pre-sale 0.05 Ethereum. Launch date looks like that has already happened. And then the public mint is 0.07. Obviously that is going to be TBA. So it states that public mint starts to be announced. So like I stated, be sure you guys are part of the Twitter and part of the Discord so you guys get those announcements. So it looks like the people who got in here early are definitely having the upper hand here, especially whenever it comes to the price. So I do like the utilities and everything that they currently do have to provide. So we're talking about the airdrop. You get free tokens. Not only that, every single day you get rewarded for staking, which is important as well. Access to a metaverse, right? Not only that, NFT releases, and you also have the opportunity to breed, which is pretty good for this project. Take a look at our collection. So it says check this link where you can see the whole collection. So you guys can see all the ones that they currently have available at this moment. I think these look pretty dope. Let's just click on it real quick and see what they have here. So yeah, they have a lot of different ape vampires, ladies and gentlemen. So I think this looks pretty sick. All the different characteristics, right? All of the different attributes, not just that, but the background, everything that they had to provide. Obviously, these are unique. If we go ahead and continue here, it states that their roadmap, this is what is probably going to be most important. Well, it looks like they're going to be starting off with Q3. Looks like it says Metaverse for ApeVampires, free 3D version of ApeVampires only for NFT holders. Others will be able to buy 3D version of their ApeVampire in our shop, with merchandise coming later in Q1 2023. Buying land in Metaverse where ApeVampires can hang out. And then it looks like they are planning on doing a DAO only for holder NFTs. After we launch Blood Token in Q2 2023, people can stake the token to be part of the DAO community wallet. We put money from sales of our NFT into this wallet. DAO decides to what NFTs invest money from this wallet. We replenish after 40 Ethereum sold out. After we launch our token, Blood, we will buy back token on profits from investing. Earnings of Blood holders increase. And then we got one right over here for Q4. It says whale follow robots only for holders of NFTs. Get NFT whale trading statistics. Get activity alerts for selected NFT whales. The ability to enable automatic purchase of NFTs which are being bought by a lot of whales. Big opportunity emerging. And then we got Q1 of 2023. Shop with merchandise. Holders of NFTs get discount 25% for all merch. 3D printed figure of your ape vampire. Card games with ApeVampires. Clothes in ApeVampires. So we're talking about t-shirts, hoodies, etc. And Q2 of 2023 is going to be Blood Token. Free airdrop of the NFT for NFT holders. Can be used to shop and pay for merch. Used for DAO membership. If you don't have our NFT, you buy Blood and you can enter the DAO. Staking revenue. We want people to hodl our token, so we will give them reward for staking. Then we got Q3 2023. They're going to be doing a play to earn game using avatars of apes. Players fight with each other for perks and Blood token. So we're talking about a play to earn game. Access to upcoming projects only for holders of our NFT. Airdrops of our next NFT projects. Granted whitelist spots for our NFT projects. And we got Q4 once again. NFT Launchpad. DAO decides which NFT projects to launch. We provide funds and knowledge for 1% or a certain percent from revenue share. We have positive impact on price of Blood token if we introduce successful projects. So whenever it comes to the team, we got Crypto Jordan, we have Spliff, we have Jimmy, and we have Merlin. All right, so it looks like they actually have a lot of information here. Crypto Jordan is the co-founder, blockchain expert. Then we got Spliff, who is the co-founder and head of marketing. Jimmy, developer. Merlin, graphic designer and NFT specialist. And it looks like we got some more over here. We got Danny, who is the community manager. Not sure if we can go over further. Then we have Evelyn, who is the community manager as well. So it definitely seems like this could be a great project so far, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see if they have anything else. Looks like they do have some partners with NFT Project, social influencer. They got NFT Project, social influencer, and then they have NFT Project. So it looks like they're with Ready Gives, and it looks like they're with Walker ETH. So definitely could be some big people to follow. Okay, so be sure you guys check out this project. Seems like it's going to be good in my own personal opinion. They do have a lot of things that they have to offer. The only thing that I am kind of curious about is why they are waiting so long to create the Blood token. The Blood token is not going to be here for like a whole another year and a half almost, which is way out there in my own personal opinion. So they're giving a lot of perks for staking and for holding NFTs, but you're not going to be rewarded for such a long time. So anyways, if you guys will, leave some comments down below. Tell us what you guys think about this project. I think it's going to be a great one, just one that we need to keep eyes on. Be sure that you guys join the Discord as well. Very important. Once you get to the Discord, there is a lot of different chat rooms. You guys can see that a lot of people actually are active. Look at this, you guys, a massive community over here. Okay, a lot of people are talking in this group. They do have the announcements. They do have the roadmap. They have the launch dates, they have the official links, they have sneak peeks, they have the marketing, they have meet the team, they got the white paper. There's just so much here. General, be sure you guys talk here. You got memes, you got NFTs, you got art, you got trivia, you got the Twitter feed, you got YouTube, very important, invite contests, giveaways. Be sure you guys are part of the giveaways. So other than that, definitely think it could be a great project as stated. So just let me know what you guys think. But other than that, you guys have a great day, and we'll see you later, and ciao.